you can say that, Ton, kasi I mean, may takbo eh. May takbo, their post, they can shoot outside, tsaka yung ball distribution, nandun eh. So, hindi ka na maghahanap. Meron ka pang mahasel na Celis. Tapos plus, si Moore.
Second half, officially underway. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong panonood ng Ton Ross with Coach Jerry Codiniera. At kasama rin po namin si Flo Del Agua at courtside. Ancheta libre mula sa labas. Jomel. Short. And Bagay scores on the touchdown.
Coach Charles was complaining, traveling daw. Pero on the catch naman eh. Hindi pa niya na-gather yung bola, kaya allowed pa rin yun ng 1-2 rhythm.
Umali. Liwag. Liwag to SJ. Oh! Tumulong palabas. SJ Moore.
Sayang yung mga ganyang point blank range.
Kinal shoots a three. Too strong. Ball is loose. Look at Moore dive for it. And that's the effort you want to see. Ancheta pinitpit ang bola, finishing with a left hand.
Good decision coming from Cajeta, kahit humihingi na ng love si Liwag doon.
Oftana. Ochavo gives it to Jude Bagay. Oftana against Moore. Bagay kontra Celis. Bagay, fade away. Ancheta with a board. Ancheta to Celis. Umali, nagpakawala ng tres. And that's going to be Benillian basketball. Jomel Ancheta. A beautiful drive to the basket.
Smart move, malayo pa lang, tinake off niya na, release niya na kagad.
SJ, too strong.
Yun, nakulangan ni Ancheta si ron, Oftana.
Umali, too strong as well.
Pero bihira niya gamitin yung kaliwa doon eh.
Loristo beating everybody down the floor.
Yan yung ginagawa kanina ni Liwag eh, yung rim run. Ngayon, ginagawa ni Lorista kayo, nakita niya eh. Effective eh.
Sa pagbaba pa lang ng bola, talagang pinapatrabaho ni Ochavo, si Jomel Ancheta. And look at Loristo beating the bigs of Benil down the floor.
Magandang trade yan eh, big man. Tumakbo ka lang. Sometimes kahit walang pasa ang guardia, makikita ka rin yan eh.
Celis rattles in that triple.
Tumitira din pala to si Celis sa labas, ano?
Celis makes it a 6-point advantage for Benil. Ochavo. 8 on the shot clock. Ochavo. Dangerous pass. Oftana pulls up. No go.
Oh, yan is time talaga ni Ochavo. Nagpo-probe eh. Probe. Baka may opportunity. Pero sometimes, you know, yung shot clock, importante yun. Bebuelo pa rin shooters mo.
Celis drains his first basket of the game. Oh, Moore loses control of the basketball. Bagay finishing on the break.
Who would think si Bagay makaka-steal, no? Parang slow pero very smart guy. Oh, yun na naman, oh. Buntikan. Buti na lang, malaki-laki kaha ni Umali dun.
Jude Bagay, coach, last year only averaged 5.11 points per game. Right now, Bagay has 9 points, coach.
Yes, ang laki ng increase yun, ha? From 5 points to 9, malaking-malaki yan. Especially yung playing time pa niya, mahaba-haba.
Oo, coach, last year, 10 minutes per game lang ang ina-average niya.
Wala na si Gortiza. Wala na yung mga scorer nila.
Celis. Oh, nagkagawan doon si SJ at si Sean.
Ganda tumiming si Bagay sa rebounding eh.
Omandak for 3. Too strong. Ancheta with a board. Ancheta is running. Ancheta to Liwag. And now, let's go to Flo Del Agua for this courtside update.
With the scoreboard now here in the second half, Coach Gerson Cabiltes wants to see more of Wilmar Oftana pero pinag-iingat daw siya sa kanyang mga contact dahil nagbabad kung napapadami na ang kanyang fouls. I was actually able to catch Wilmar briefly at the half at sinabi niya sa akin na fresh pa daw sa kanyang memory ang nangyari last season when they went against Benil kung saan off day siya and he only scored 3 points throughout the entire game. But with a better go signal this season, he is determined to redeem himself. But since we are in a timeout now, let me hear your thoughts after we come back.
Saturday afternoon, and it's a packed house here at the Phil Center in San Juan. Huge shout out to all of our Kapuso televiewers watching on GTV and Heart of Asia, and to everybody watching as well on Facebook and YouTube via NCA Philippines or GMA Sports PH. Maraming salamat po. Intense matchup sa pagitan ng Benil at ng EAC. Ochavo pulls up. Oh, Moore got a piece of that. Bagay. So tough to score with Liwag and Umali in the post or in the paint. SJ. Atake. SJ. Oh, what a tough player to stop.
Yeah. Si Moore, talagang yan ang strength niya eh. Penetration eh. Medyo yung shooting, medyo hindi pa siya masyadong tumatama dyan. Pero sa drive, ang laki ng chance na pumasok pagka-drive si Moore.
SJ Moore from the Arellano Juniors basketball program. Kinover natin to, coach. He was a high-flying high school baller. And then, of course, took his talents to the Growling Tigers. But then decided to come home to the NCAA and now wearing a different shade, wearing that Benilian green.
Yes, hinahanap niya talaga yung NCAA sa ano niya. Oh.
Kita niyo yun?
Oo. Inaantok pa yan. Galing pa sa pahinga yan, halftime. Oh.
Nilagay yung bola sa likod ng kanyang ulo, coach.
Oo. Leaper talaga.
You guys really have to come to a game live and watch the warm-ups. So, marami mga high flyers dito, lalo na sa Benil. Ancheta with a fadeaway.
Hindi sila maka-entry pass eh. Yung CSP Benil Blazers kay Liwag eh. Masyadong malambot yung pasa. Dapat hindi pwedeng telegraphic. Madiin dapat eh.
EJ Castillo, talagang dinedenay siya ni Celis. They know the scouting report. Pinag-aralan talaga.
Hard show sila sa pick and roll, Ton.
Oh, what a pass. Oh, but Alan Liwag.
Good call.
Just all over the place. Pag hindi ka umangat agad, mahabol ka ni Allen eh.
Oo. The more ka na mag-fade away or step back, aabutan ka niya.
And the Generals run out of time.
You know, dapat the guards should be aware sa oras, shot clock. Alam mo, ikaw ang mandando dyan eh. Commanding general inside the court eh. Parang ikaw ang coach eh. Little coach.
Ancheta. Celis. Jomel with 8. on the shot clock. Ollie, one dribble pull-up. Ollie, no. Celis, offensive rebound, and a foul was called.
Parang medyo tinamaan nata si Celis doon sa ulo.
So, it was Celis who was fouled on the shot. Put back attempt yun, coach. Panoorin natin muli. So, this is the one dribble pull-up of Matthew Ollie. Celis with the offensive rebound goes up and... Oh!
Dalawang, may kontak.
Oh, no.
Lucero.
Oh, no.
Ako.
So, clearly, he hit Celis on the forearm.
Oo.
And then, sinundan pa niya sa ulo.
Oo. Ako, technical talaga yun.
Yeah, you cannot do that.
Sign of frustration, Ton. Especially mga ganyang kalalaki. Pero hindi ka naman pwede makantay ka na lang talaga ng fumble eh.
So, unsportsmanlike foul called on Lucero. Celis. This is going to be 2 free throws for him.
Laking bagay nitong review eh, no? Ton. Lalo especially mga referees natin. Gumaang ang trabaho nila.
Good on the first. Celis. And because of that unnecessary hit to the head, lumobo na bigla yung lamang nitong Benil.
Yes, oo. Talagang ano na. Medyo kailangan. They need to stop here. They need to maka-stop man lang sila rito. Ngayon, balak sila sa zone, Ton. Baka ayan.
Turnover by the Benildians. Castillo. Castillo. Fakes. Castillo trying to get it to Angeles. Pero may agaw doon, Torres. And that's a foul away from the ball as Alan Liwag was sealing his man.
Oo. His intentions are good. Nakasil siya, kaso walang eye contact. You know, the guard has to be aware. Sila Torres, Celis, baka big man mo, ganyan. Very quick. Off a rebound. Hanapin mo kailangan, kagad.
Pero yung defenders ng EAC, wala na magawa dito kay Allen na pumepwesto.
Oo. Automatic pin down yun.
This is now the biggest lead of the game.
Tsaka makikita mo, hindi masyado nagsasab na si Coach Charles. Talagang nakadiin na siya dito para coming to the fourth quarter, di ba? Mas madali na niyang i-hybrid yung lineup.
It's now a double-digit lead.
Oh.
Tolentino.
Nagkakaroon sila ng miscommunication, yung EAC Generals.
Angeles breaks free.
Pero nakita ni Angeles, nagkakagulo kayo. Drive ko nga. Oo, ayun, puntos.
Celis. Good fake. Celis for 3. Shanoda. Shanoda can run. Shanoda can't finish though. And that's traveling on Eusebio. Angeles setting up that roadblock.
Nautakan niya si si Eusebio.
Three minutes and 43 seconds remaining in the third. Sanchez nagbabalik sa ating laro.
Pero malayo pa to, Ton.
Yep.
It's still within reach. They just have to do yung mga good adjustments sa depensa ng EAC Generals.
And EJ Castillo, his second field goal. And if this kid can get going, things will get very interesting. Benil up by 6. They sue for time. EJ Castillo making his NCAA Season 100 debut. First game as an EAC General. Catch, jab step, pull up, right on the money.
Perimeter, Ton. Hindi pa. Siguro someday, 3 points. Pero for now, 2 points muna.
The talent is clearly there. The Steph Curry influence is there, but like Coach Jericho Deniera said, if he can develop that three-point shot, he's going to be a problem for the rest of the competition here in the NCAA. Torres. Liwak. Oh, look at that rebound right there.
Actually, Coach, yung Gerson, yung team ng EAC Generals, they're doing a good job in collapsing on Liwag. Walang pumapalo, walang umaagaw, walang sumusundot.
Castillo. Oh my goodness! EJ Castillo
Hoy,
freezing his defender.
umaangas na. 6 points.
Here we go. Down to 4 is the Benillian lead. Liwag. Oh, kiluwa pa.
Sayang yon kay Liwag. Normally yun. Dakla sa kanya yun kay Liwag
Welcome to the EJ Castillo Show. Can I have this dance, Mr. Morales? Keep up with me. Castillo right in his face. And the celebration a la Steph Curry pointing to the heavens. Coach, nung panahon mo, there were a lot of players who could freeze their defender with those types of moves na parang sumasayaw. I remember Johnny Abarientos.
Johnny, yes. Oo. Talagang that's their point of attack Del Rin kung saan ka kakagat ka pa sa head and shoulder nila. If not, boom, quick pull up.
Naalala ko si Johnny A.
Oo.
You know, he's not the tallest player, but you can't do anything with him kasi you're so worried about him driving.
Yes,
And then he's just gonna pull up.
Pull up, Kasi alam mo naman, the moment yung nilagay na yung bola dyan sa floor, it's either attack na yan
50 to 44. Shanoda to Castillo.
Hindi nagtatago sa bola. Makita mo. Yan lang.
Dinoble team na. Oh! That's a 5-second violation.
Masyadong matagal yon. You cannot grab the ball that long. Yan ang magpalakas din ang katawan. No? Ton.
Yep. He's 19, Coach.
Oo.
Batang-bata pa.
Oo. With Torres, Cometa, mga seasoned players na to Oo.
Just imagine a full season of conditioning and living in the weight room.
Oo.
What that can do for this kid. as he grows into his body. Cometa with a floater. Oh no! Almost a steal as Shanoda tried to get it.
Saka mga guards, hindi lang recipient yan ng atake mo, a-attack din yan pag iniskoran mo.
Castillo. In and out. Torres. Cometa. Short. At babalik ang bola sa Generals.
Medyo hindi umiikot ang bola ng CSB Benil Blazers dito. Puro nasa right side lang. Before, first 2 quarters, ganda ng ikot ng bola nila.
Under 2 minutes left here in the third period. Shanoda. Tolentino. Tolentino breaking free. Yun nga lang.
Sayang yon.
Too much
Wide.
momentum.
Wide open.
Morales.
Medyo walang touches dito si Sanchez, oh.
Morales susubok mula sa labas. Shanoda with a board. Castillo. Right wing. Triple try by Geraldine. Angeles. Oh! Angeles finds a way.
Hassel, no, Ton? Hindi nag-give up, eh, no?
Gaspay. Gaspay. Smother.
May pasa pa.
Sanchez libre mula sa labas. Justin Sanchez. Sure ball.
Siya na sinasabi niya, bigay mo. Nakasay niya siya kanina, eh. Hindi umikot ang bola. Nakabang lang yung Sanchez, eh.
Meron ng 11 punto si Justin Sanchez. Shanoda, aatake. Naagawan ni Sanchez. Sanchez binigay kay Cometa. Binigay dito kay Gaspay. Cometa. Sanchez. Mouse in the house.
Good read. Ganda. Ganda ng read ni Cometa ron. Nakita niya kaagad yung big man niya, si Sanchez, pumoste.
BAC is still in this game because of their hustle. Angeles tracking the loose ball and laying it up and in, but pamatay sunog agad, Justin Sanchez. At 6'5", Justin Sanchez is a nightmare to match up with.
Mobile, wala ka nang hahanapin pa. He can dribble, very composed, good defender, no? Pwede pang gilas.
This is, yeah. This is the most mature Sanchez that we've seen.
Oo.
Yung ganyang katawan and skill set. He has the outside shot now. Definitely can represent. Oh, a foul.
Yeah. Hindi niya na-control yung momentum ni Justin Sanchez ron, eh.
Pero may isa pang foul to give. Etong Benilde. Oh no, dangerous pass. Cajuco bounces it off Tolentino, and the Benildians will have one last shot at it. And Coach Charles Stew sending back in the trio of guards, Cometa, Torres, and Ancheta.
Ganda ng time management ni Coach Charles,
Oo.
no? Talagang lahat, nabibigyan niya ng pahinga din yung ibang key players.
Cometa, nabitawan ng bola. But Benilde ending the period with a furious rally as they are up by 11. One more quarter to go here in our second game on this Saturday sa NCAA Season 101. Coach Jerry. This time against Arellano. So, Mapua, figuring in edge of your seat action dito sa pagsisimula ng ating bagong season, Coach.
Oh, alam mo naman, siyempre, pag Mapua champion, nandun pa rin yung kumpiyansa niyan eh. With Coach Randy, kailangan lagi ka on your toes. Hindi pwedeng kumpiyansa ka dyan.
Cometa. Cometa on the run. Gaspay. Gaspay na agawan. Bagay. Oh, sorry miss by Jude Bagay.
Hirap talaga. It's sobrang effort kay Bagay doon para niya ma-convert yun. But they have the numbers eh, 3-on-2.
Ochavo completes the steal. Ochavo asking for a foul. Sayang yung pagkakataon doon, Coach.
Oo.
Dahil may nagte-trail na Oftana.
Oh, hindi niya nakita yon. Medyo narrow yung approach niya, yung angle ng pasa niya eh. Hindi niya inopen eh. Walang spacing.
Torres switching hands and finishing with his left. And now it is the biggest lead of the game for the Benildians. Timeout, EAC. So, ito yung pambawi ni Ian Torres. Naagawan kasi siya ni Kyle Ochavo. Sabi ni Torres, kala mo ikaw lang yung mabilis.
Hindi papatalo yan si Torres. Ganda rin ang game dyan noong last time. So pag wala ka rin depensa kay Torres, nako, sisingiling ka niya.
13-point advantage for Benil. Loristo. Oftana.
Yan.
Bagay.
Tempo lang. High-low play.
Morales. Gaspay.
Yung weak side rotation sa half-court press ng EAC General medyo hindi gumagana eh. Oo.
Torres. Morales. High arcing shot. Sa arc ko ng tira ni Morales, naalala ko si Dirk Nowitzki.
Taas.
Sobrang taas.
Oo. Tsaka mahasel. Itong Cometa. Tsaka ito si Torres. Grabe sa bola. They have a nose for the ball.
And more trouble coming.
Ito na si The Boss.
The big boss. Sean O'Malley is back. Kumanda na kayo. Ayan na siya. Oh. Did you see what O'Malley did? Hinarangan yung bantay. Kaya libre-libre si Justin Sanchez.
Smart move, Ton. Makita mo. Alam niya, pero pwede niya atakin. Pero nakita niya, better shooter si Sanchez. Yun lang, pinas out niya lang. Libre. Sometimes yung experience eh, hindi mo makikita sa mga bagong players yun eh. Yung read, how to read the game.
Oftana. Now with 10 points para sa Generals. Sanchez. Cometa. The Benillian captain drains it.
That's what you need. Talagang two-man game, space it out, pag kick out, open na open. Kakalabitin na lang mga shooter yan.
O Chavo nakabawi. Torres. Umali. Cometa from the elbow. Mainit na. He's talking.
Mahirap tong backcourt tandem ni Coach Charles. Torres at Cometa. Talagang parehong kamador ito eh.
Confidence and aura is rising.
Si Gaspay, kahit di mo bigyan ng bola, pwede. Hindi nagdedeman ng bola, oh. O yan, yung handoff.
Ito yung
Iyan, oh.
kingpin screen.
Oh.
Subukan mo lang.
No, hindi niya na nakita yung lower box eh. Si Sean sa laki. It takes siguro 1.5 seconds para ka maka-close out doon, Ton. Diba?
Cometa bringing the ball down. This is a 14-point advantage for the Benillians. Gaspay. Torres mula sa kanto. Torres drains it. And now we get a courtside update from Flo Del Agua.
Gentlemen, you know the last time that these guys faced each other was actually during a championship match in the off-season, so they are more than familiar with each other. This is why in the Benil, the huddle, the coaches instructed the players to maintain a certain level of defensive intensity as they recognize that the Generals are more than capable of biting back. Pero hindi lang depensa ang naging instruction ni Coach Charles Chu, as he also wants more openings for Justin Sanchez, the leading scorer for the Blazers. Will he make another top scoring performance in this game today? We'll find out. For now, back to you guys.
Well, right now, Flo, Justin Sanchez has 16 points to lead all scorers in this game.
Yes, talaga yan naman talaga ang leading scorer nila dyan, ni Coach Charles. Plus, yung mga support din. Grabe ang support na binibigay ng mga players, especially the guards. They're doing their job so well. Kikita nila sino mainit, sino nakakatakbo, at sino yung may advantage.
We've been giving high praise to Justin Sanchez. We have Coach Jericho Diniera even going as far as saying he has Gilas potential. And itong si Sanchez being 6'5" and able to do what he can do. Umali, what a pass! What a delivery! Cometa.
Yan talaga, pag kinamita mo ng mga elbow play, high post play, pag mahina ka off the ball defense dyan, talagang prone ka niya sa backdoor.
Gab Cometa, when did you get hot? 7 points right away.
Pero execution na eh. Diyan makikita yung team. They execute so well, especially pag mga ganyan ma-pressure yung team, yung kalaban.
And now the Benillians coach looking to cruise to their first win here in season 101. And all the talk, coach, about how deep and how talented the lineup of the Benillians are going into this season. Wala pang Tony Inot yan.
Yeah, problema na yan kay Coach Charles, yung kombinasyon na lang. Pero when it comes to lineup, they have everything. Ang dami niyang wing.
Ito na si Sanchez. Cometa. 5. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Walang mapuntahan. Chavo gets it to Dominguez. Ancheta, baseline drive. Liwag.
Yun, medyo nagko-complain si doon. Si Sanchez, nakita niya, mas libre siya ron. Medyo yung dish off niya ron, medyo offline.
Umali. Ancheta.
With that lead, you need to execute more. Kaya kailangan dapat i-run the clock. Look for the best offensive player, kung sino libre, you know.
Coach Jerson Cabentes looking on after this huge fourth quarter by Benilde. It really started with that furious rally to end the third. Doon nakakuha ng momentum ang Benilde, Coach.
Yes, oo, talagang bumigay na nung bandang dulo eh. Pero sometimes, you know, kasama yung sa basketball yung sometimes hindi ka nakaka-score. But yung defense talaga dapat, it should stick sa laban.
Liwag sumubok mula sa labas, Coach.
Yeah, first time niya ginawa yan ah.
Oh! Another wild shot converted by Jude Bagay. Ancheta. And that's a foul on Gab Cometa.
Medyo si Ancheta nawawala ng control. Kanina nag-turnover na. Tapos plus another one. Siguro baka pagod na rin. Fatigue factor.
Oh, good defense by Ancheta. Castillo against Torres. And that's a foul on Ian Torres.
Hindi ka talaga bibigyan ng space. Pag si Torres ang mga tumapat sa'yo, Cometa, alam nilang weakness mo kagad eh. They will shade the side na kung saan ka malakas eh. Tapos nakalalay din na malaki. Liwag, Umali. Talagang wala kang free lane. Walang libreng lane dito.
And Torres picks the pocket of the rookie. Oh, yun lang. Oh, Umali.
Tumba ka kay boss. Tumama kay Sean eh.
Alam mo nga, may extra effort ang boss kapag tumatalon siya ng ganyan, Coach.
Oo. Tama yun, oh.
Castillo from the baseline.
Uy. Malalakas tong players ni Coach Charles. Ang bibigat. Solid lahat ng mga katawan eh.
Coach, trinong 5 ni Coach Charles, ano? I mean, kulang na lang si Justin.
Oo.
Bagay.
Yan. I'm sure they will milk the clock. Ubusin na nila oras dito.
Torres throws it out to Celis. Inside to Ancheta. And right now, Benilde is just putting the finishing touches on this masterpiece.
Yes, yan ang inaantay talaga ng mga big guys. Siyempre, yung mga pasa sa guards like Ancheta, Cometa, yan.
So for EAC, Coach, I know it's a huge lead as we see this passing the patience of the Benildians. Ano yung mga positives na nakita mo mula sa Generals? I know it's a rebuilding year for them again.
Yes, a lot. Kasi number one kanina, they were in the game eh. Siguro 5-point lead. So they were in the game. Siguro they just have to manage when to attack and when not to attack. Siguro I think that call will come from the guards. They have to read the defense very well. Na minsan baka may advantage ka pero baka pagod na. How will you finish your layup kung pagod na? So I think it's about reading eh. Reading the situation.
Oh, Postanes. Drop step. Yung ano kasi, yung style ng laro ng EAC, nakakapagod din eh.
Oo. talo na.
With all of that hustle.
Yes, pag nakakita ka na ng dalawa, tatlong guards in front of you, walang slow break dyan, Ton.
So, sustaining that is the question.
Yes, sustain and siguro controlled chaos.
Oh.
If there is such thing as controlled chaos, di ba? Controlled aggression. Siyempre, I'm sure marami silang babalikan si Coach Gerson dito sa practice nila tomorrow. O baka hindi magpapa-day off yan. Sigurado si Coach Gerson.
Ito na yung pagbabalik ni Sanchez. Sanchez. It's just so hard to box out Alan Liwag. 6'6".
Mahirap pagka ganyan mga kalakas tumalon. Actually, if you can, hindi na yung hindi na yung pagka ganyan naman binabantayan mo, you need to face guard him. Yung mga ganyan. Pero lahat, if you face guard mo, lahat leaper dito sa CSB. Binil.
I think, talking about Benil naman, Coach, we're seeing a new identity para sa kanila, especially with what Coach Charles did to start this game, na pinagsabay niya yung Umali at Liwag. Na kumbaga, we're gonna bully you, we're gonna be physical, we're gonna establish our dominant presence.
Yes, I'm sure si Coach Charles, marami rin siyang gustong gawin sa team niya, pero he will stick to what he has, o ano yung pinaka-assets niya sa team, especially the height, advantage sa wing position, sa post. They pressured well. Ngayon, ganda ng mga defensive schemes niya. Unlike yung sa San Beda, medyo yung close out siya, sabog-sabog eh.
Sanchez, libre na naman. Postanes with the finish.
4
Alright.
points.
Yep. So it is official now. Coach Charles Tew and his Benil Blazers get their first win here in season 101 of the NCAA. Flexing their muscles against the EAC Generals in this 11-point victory.